Ginger, whose homeland is West Asia and has been used for medicinal purposes since ancient times, can take its place in the cuisines of many histories. The most common form of use is tea. Tea made with ginger, a natural antioxidant, is one of the most preferred tea varieties with its protective effect from diseases, and is a cure for many metabolic diseases. What are the benefits and side effects of ginger tea consumption? How it is prepared, how much and when it is consumed, who should be very careful while consuming it. Let's examine together. You can subscribe to our channel for free before moving on to its advantages. We are here with a new informative video every day. What are the benefits of drinking a glass of ginger tea in the evening? This tea is also very beneficial for liver health, especially when consumed regularly. It helps detoxify all body tissues. Ginger, which is also full of antioxidants, has the ability to balance blood sugar. Just 1 cup of ginger tea can meet 15% of the daily phosphorus requirement. This ratio is very important for the prevention of diabetes, especially in diabetic. On the other hand, ginger lowers bad cholesterol and reduces the risk of heart diseases with the beneficial acids it contains. It helps prevent vascular occlusions by regulating blood pressure and balances blood pressure in the long term. Ginger tea for a healthier digestive system. It stimulates the production of bile with the substances in it and allows food to pass through the digestive system much more easily. Eliminates harmful toxins and bacteria. Ginger tea is very effective against digestive problems such as indigestion and bloating, especially when mixed with lemon. It reduces sugar absorption in the large intestine. It prevents pain during the day and increases the body's fat-burning potential. In addition, this incredible nutrient eliminates the problem of anemia with iron, which provides healthy blood flow in the body. A glass of ginger tea against diseases. First of all, ginger is a plant that has body temperature stabilizing effect, especially during periods of illness. Thanks to its high magnesium, vitamin C, potassium and phosphorus content, it strengthens the body's immune system and creates a shield against diseases. Ginger tea for a healthier bone tissue. The potassium and vitamin K in it are very important for our bone health. These minerals work with polyphenols to fight substances that cause bone damage and inflammation, improving bone health by increasing the number of cells that secrete hormones for bone formation. Ginger tea for a healthier brain structure. With its bioactive components and antioxidants, it reduces cognitive-based negative responses in the brain. It prevents disorders in neurons with phenolic compounds. It strengthens our cognitive functions by protecting our cell structure against toxins and free radicals. It also fights depression caused by low serotonin levels. On the other hand, ginger has antioxidant effect. Antioxidants help keep cells in the body healthy and slow the growth of cancerous cells. Ginger tea for healthier skin. This plant, which helps the secretion of collagen production, which supports the skin structure, eliminates problems such as acne and acne on the skin, and is effective in eliminating problems such as wounds and spots on the skin in a short time. It is also very beneficial for the oral flora and protects the internal structure of the mouth in the long term by preventing inflammation around the gums. So, is ginger tea harmful? How much and when should it be consumed? First of all, ginger tea, which helps the digestive system to work quality, can invade the digestive system and cause discomfort in the intestine and stomach tissue if more than 2 or 3 glasses are consumed in a short time. More than enough. So how much should ginger tea be consumed? Experts recommend consuming a glass of ginger tea 2 to 3 days a week, where the intake of vitamins and minerals is low. In the light of this information, you can add ginger tea, which provides incredible benefits to our body, to your diet and benefits profit from its long-term benefit. If you like our video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Have a good time, stay informed.